I got a package today. I figured I should open it, because otherwise I just spent $80 for nothing. Except a nice brown box to proudly display on a shelf. Alright, well, it's from Severin, by the way. Severin Films. So, let's see what kind of sleeves we got in here. I know what I got, but do you? Well, maybe vaguely from reading the title. Alright, got my handy keys here, so for my kniff. Here, this makes a better kniff. I'm getting ready for the Christmas spirit in a month. So, much better. My $80 worth of packing peanuts. It's well worth the investment. Alright. Let's see what we really got in here. This is like the only company that seems to use packing peanuts now. It's always those air bubble packet things. No, Severin, they're old school, just like the films they distribute. Let's see. Oh. I'll set this down for a while. God, getting these things all over the place. Here. Alright. I'm gonna have to. Here we go. We'll start out with this first. Here we go. The Blood Island quadrilogy. Haven't seen any of these, and the main reason that I picked this set up is because Mad Doctor of Blood Island is a Section 3 video nasty, and I collect those pieces of crap. So, one film in the collection with 3 other films that I figured I might as well pick up. Now, I'm pretty sure most of these have reversible covers. A lot of times Severin does. And another nice thing they do is a lot of times they'll throw in soundtracks if they're good enough, and that's always awesome. Alright. It's empty. Amazing, isn't it? So, I don't know if these are in order. I'm assuming they are, so. Alright. Beast of Blood. Voila. A disc. I wouldn't expect anything else. And here's the new, and here we go. The more classic artwork. Directed by Eddie Romero, Apocalypse Now, yada! Yeah, awesome. I like the retro art. It's even kind of got the setup of how it looks like it would have been on the VHS, I'm assuming. So we'll stick this in here. Alright. The main thing I got. Alright, this is one that comes with the CD. Awesome. Original, classic, and an alternate title. Okay. I'll stick, just to avoid confusion for viewers who don't know what they're looking at, I will leave the classic. Halfway done. Oops. Halfway done. Brides of Blood. Boom. Here we go. Original. Classic. I do love this whole thing is set up like the most generic, like VHS you would get, like something you would get from Good Times. Beautiful. The final one. I believe this is the prequel. Terror is a man. Terror is still a man. Blood Creature. Alternate titles. Gah! Oh. Must have been fun trying to ban this stuff in UK when you don't know what film you're actually looking at. There's definitely a lot to Funhouse being, the theory of Funhouse being a video nasty because of the title confusion. Alright, got that done with. Now the extra goodies, because I got the big set, well not the big one, but the one that I can actually get, because when they do like the ultra limited edition things, they sell out fast because there's only like 10 of them. So, and frankly, one of the reasons why I specifically kind of wanted to get the set is I wanted this. It's just a recipe card for a drink. This is like $1 here. $1. This is something you'd get in a loot crate. Just to say, hey, we got you something that... something. So yeah, this is the green blood potion, and I guess this is what it looks like. Pretty cool. Got some fun things to read on the back, okay. Damn, peanuts. The pin from Psychedelic. I got some advertising for Psychedelic here. So this is gonna be a nice addition to my pin strap on my con bag of holding. Coasters. Oh, so many peanuts in here. There's one more thing. Alright, well, I'll look for it later. Got a little poster here. I knew exactly what I was doing. Of the treasure map. So this will be a nice little thing to put on my wall. I like things to put on my wall. It's fun. Stick that back in here for now. Now it should be everything except one other thing, if I can find it. Aha, here we go. A stirring stick. I find, maybe it has something to do with the films, or it might be a theme, but I find it kind of odd how their set seems to be revolved around alcohol. We got a stirring stick. So yeah. Nothing spectacular, but still kind of cool. And this is, I believe the coasters and the recipe were exclusive to this set. Everything else you can get separately, or it might be this thing I know for sure is only available in the bigger set. And I think the poster might be as well. Everything else you can get separately on your own, should you want. It's either this or this. You'd have to go on to Severin Films and check it out. You can only get it through Severin. So, yeah, that's that. Fine enough set, but will it be as good as the films in there? There's a good chance, because all these kind of films, they're not exactly trying to be high art. They're just trying to go for a good shock. So, alright, well, that's that. Hope you enjoyed that. And I will see you all later. Take care, everybody.